We're rolling.
Why do you think of Elmo, huh? You want to do it again? What do you think? You want to see Elmo again? Where did you go?
You need one of those when you haven't had that.
Yes. If you don't laugh at that toy, then you're not going to laugh at anything. Yay, Miss Camille. You want to tickle Elmo again? Normally Nathan plays with her, but he's into all his new birthday toys. It's amazing the computer chip in that.
Look at Elmo, Camille.
Yay! Isn't that sweet?
Give him a hug.
Oh, hi Elmo.
Hey, Elmo.
Hey.
Hey, I got him.
Normally she's cracking up because he's cracking up with it, but he's got all these new toys today. It's a pretty amazing little thing, isn't it?
It is amazing.
Dad needs one of those when he gets so riled up over.
That's right.
Yeah.